to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I show you my CVS couponing deal update on Sunday January 10 to Saturday January 16, 2021. Today I show you my all the digital and printable deal. So let's begin with the deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $2.99 each. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh 6 OZ, it's $11.96. It's $2.99 each. Use one $3 off $12 Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush CVS CRT. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 96 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal, it's Colgate toothpaste and toothbrush deal. If you have this CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB and buy 2 Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash and get back $5 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh 6 OZ, it's $5.98. It's $2.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate mouthwash 16.9 OZ, it's $11.18. It's $5.59 each. The totals come out altogether, it's $17.16. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Colgate mouthwash digital coupon. Use one $1 of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $11.16 and get back $4 ECB for toothpaste and get back $5 ECB for toothbrush and mouthwash. The final cost is $2.16 or 54 cents each. The next deal, it's Crest Scoop mouthwash deal. Buy 1 Crest Scoop mouthwash and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. It's also sell $4.79 each. Buy 2 Crest Scoop mouthwash 1 liter, it's $9.58. It's $4.79 each. Use one $2 of $8 Crest Scoop or Oral-B CVS CRT. Also use one $1 of Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. It's available on January 10. The total coupon is $3. Pay only just $6.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Revlon Skin Light Highlighter, it's $12.49. Use one $4 of Revlon Cosmetic digital coupon. Also, we have a $4 of Revlon Cosmetic CVS mystery coupon printed on January 3rd. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $4.49 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just 49 cents each. The next deal, it's Revlon Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. If you have this $5 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal this way. Spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Revlon Photo Ready Concealer, it's $10.79. Buy 1 Revlon Creamy Eyeshadow, it's $9.29. Totals come out $20.08. Use one $5 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Revlon Face digital coupon. Use one $3 of Revlon Eye digital coupon. Also, we have one $4 of Revlon CVS mystery coupon printed on January 3rd. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $4.08 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just 4 cents each. The next deal, it's L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic Deal. Spend $15 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Original Mascara, it's $19.58. Also buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lipstick, it's $10.79. Altogether, the totals come out $30.37. Use one $3 off L'Oreal Cosmetic or Facial Care Mystery coupon available on January 10. Also, we have one $10 off $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, we can use one $2.50 L'Oreal Paris Mascara digital coupon, and we have one $2.50 L'Oreal Paris printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $2 off L'Oreal Paris Lip Care digital coupon. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.37 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $5.37 or $1.79 each. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline foundation, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use one, buy one get one free Maybelline foundation CVS CRT, it's took $8.49. Also, we have one $2 of Maybelline face or eye digital coupon. The total coupon is $10.49. Pay or roll only just $6.49 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just 49 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal is select LA Girl or Wet n Wild makeup gift set deal. Buy one gift set and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell $4.99 each. Buy one select makeup gift set, it's $4.99. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.99 each. The next deal is Paparazzi nail deal. Exclude kids. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail, it's $5. It's 2 for $5. Use one $1 of $5 Paparazzi nail care CVS CRT. Also use one $1 of Paparazzi facial wipe and mask CVS CRT. This one may be glitch because I check in online and it also came this one off. Pay or roll $3 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 CoverGirl Brow or Eye Maker eyeliner, it's $6.49. Buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press powder, it's $8.49. Altogether, the totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 of $15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. Use one $2 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon come out $7. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Spend $15 and get back $6 ECB or just spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 Neutrogena Hydro Boost foundation stick. Its totals come out $26.98. It's $17.99 each. It's also buy one get one 50% off. Use one buy one get one free Neutrogena Hydro Boost foundation stick CVS CRT. It's took $8.99. And also use two $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $14.99. Pay or roll $11.99 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.99 or 99 cents each. The next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8OZ. It's $9.99. Also buy 1 Eucerin Daily Hydration Cream 8OZ. It's $10.99. The totals come out $20.98. Use 1 $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Use 2 $3.50 of Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll only just $9.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Nivea lotion, body wash and Nivea Men Save product deal. Buy 2 Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Nivea body lotion 8.4 OZ. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. Check this one, it's included. Use 1 $3 of $10 lotion CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Nivea lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. Use 1 $2 of Nivea lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $5.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. It's also sell buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $11.68 because it's buy 1 get 1 50% off and it's $7.79 each. Use 2 $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon. Use 1 $2 of Garnier Facial Care printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll only just $3.68 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.31 money maker. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. If you want to buy the different product like Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water 13.5 OZ, it's $9.99. You also buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Cleanser 4.4 OZ, it's $4.99 because it's 50% off. The totals come out $14.98. Use 2 $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Garnier Green Lab CVS CRT. Also, we have 1 $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon and also use 1 $2 of Garnier Facial Care printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll only just $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is both product is free. The next deal is healthcare deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. This one also on sale. It's $9.99 each. Buy 2 Vicks VapoRub Cough Ointment 3.53 OZ. It's $19.99. It's $9.99 each. If you have this one, $5 of 2 Vicks Cold Remedy CVS CRT. Also use 1 $5 of $18 any cold cough and flu remedy CVS CRT. This one is attached with this deal. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or Refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $10 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Venus Woman Razor. It's $9.99. Also buy 1 Gillette Men Skin Guard Razor. It's $11.29. The totals come out $21.28. Use 1 $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of Gillette or Venus Razor CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gillette Men Razor digital coupon and use one $3 of Gillette Venus Woman digital coupon. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $8.28 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.72 money maker. The next deal is Sick Age Skintimate or Bulldog Save Care deal. Spend $25 on any Sick razor and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Sick Hydro Sick 5-man razor, it's $12.49. Also buy one Sick Hydro Sick 3-woman refill, it's $12.49. The totals come out $24.98. Use one $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Woman Sick razor or refill digital coupon may be available. It's January 10. Also, we got $3 of Men Sick razor or refill digital coupon. It's available January 10. The total coupon is $11. Let's see on Sunday which coupon we got on the Sick razor. Pay or roll $13.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner deal. Buy 2 Garnier shampoo and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. In this picture they have the show up limit 2 per household, but we can make sure on Sunday. It's also sell 2 for $7. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo 12.5 OZ, it's $7. Use one $1 of 2 Garnier instant coupon at coupon center. It's available on January 10. Use one $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner digital coupon. Use one $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $4 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Poises or Depend paid deal. Buy one Poises or Depend and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell $5.99 each. Buy one Poises pad 11 to 30 CT, it's $5.99. Use one $3 of Poises pad digital coupon. It's available on January 10. Pay or roll only just $2.99 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just 99 cents each. The next deal is Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 Clairol hair care and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Clairol nice and easy permanent hair color. It's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use one $5 of 2 L'Oreal Clairol hair color CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 2 Clairol hair color printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll only just $6.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you have free hair color CVS CRT, stack with this deal and to get money maker deal. The next deal is Household Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.99. Also buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT. It's $11.94. The totals come out $31.93. Use one $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use one $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, we have $3 of L'Oreal Paris Facial Care or Cosmetic Mystery coupon. It's available on January 10. Also, use $2 of L'Oreal Paris Facial Care digital coupon. We have one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Also, if you have $3 of $9 Tide Pod CVS CRT. The total coupon is $22. Pay or roll only just $9.93 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is free. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.99. Also buy two Nature Made Vitamin B12. It's $10.99 because it's buy one get one free. The totals come out $30.98. Use one $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use one $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Use one $3 off L'Oreal Paris Facial Care or Cosmetic Mystery coupon. It's available on January 10. Use one $2 off L'Oreal Paris Facial Care digital coupon. Use one $2 off Nature Made Vitamin app only coupon. Use one $2 off two Nature Made Vitamin digital coupon. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll only just $10.98 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 32 cents each. The next deal is food deal. Skinny popcorn deal. Buy 2 and $6. It's also sell 2 for $6. Buy 2 skinny popcorn 2. 4.4 to 5.3 OZ, it's $6. Use one $1 off skinny popcorn digital coupon. Use one $1 off skinny popcorn printable coupon. It's no longer available. Pay or roll $4. The final cost is only just $2 each. The next deal is select Boost Nutrition Drink Milk. Drink deal. Buy 4 Boost drink and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 4 Boost nutritional drink rich chocolate $28.46. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's $9.49 each. Use 2 $5 off 2 Boost nutrition drink printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $5 off 2 Boost nutrition drink digital coupon, possibly glitch. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $13.46 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $3.46 or 86 cents each. The next deal is Starburst Skittle or candy deal. Buy 2 for $6. Buy 4 candy 8 to 10 OZ, it's $12. Use one $3 off $12 any candy CVS CRT. Use one $1 off 2 M&M candy digital coupon. Use one $1 off 2 M&M candy printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll only just $7. The final cost is $1.75 each. This is my last and final dish. It's Hershey Reese's or Kiss candy deal. It's also sell $2.99 each. Buy one Hershey's original candy 7 to 10.8 OZ. It's $2.99. Pay or roll $2.99 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is $2 each. So friends, this is my next week CVS deal update. Hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.